Hello, hi again to Dr. English YouTube channel. This is Dr. Mafi, a PhD in Applied Linguistics, and I've been teaching for quite a while now. Today's lesson is about past progressive tense or past continuous tense. I already talked about all of the 12 English tenses in English, right, in one of the videos, and if you let me know what you think, that makes me delighted. Well, but today's lesson is about one of the other 12 tenses, and that is past continuous or past progressive tense. First of all, the structure is like was, where plus verb plus ing. Like I was doing something or she was doing something. They were doing something. It's very much similar to present progressive. In present progressive, we follow this formula. One of the two verbs, am is are plus verb plus ing. Instead of was and were, we use am is are in present progressive tense. But here, we use only the past form of to be, not the present form, am is are. Only was, were, plus verb plus ing. All right? That's the formula. Okay? And that's the difference or similarity, well, to present progressive tense or present continuous tense. When do we use this tense? Well, obviously, it's clear. It's progressive. We are doing something or we did something in the past. That's why we have past tense. But it was a continuous act or action we were doing. So that's why we use the progressive one. I was studying, I was reading, I was watching television when the phone rang. It's very much used in such a structure, in such a scenario, such a circumstance. All right? Like you used to do something or you were doing something that another action in the past interrupted it. Cut it short. All right? So like this example, I was studying when the phone rang. Usually we use it in this kind of structure, usually. All right? Of course, you can drop out this part, like I was studying, for example, as you were telling or retelling a story, you would probably end up saying something like this or using a past progressive tense. But here, we use it normally in such a scenario where another past action interrupts it, cuts it short, right? So we say, I was studying when the phone rang, when there was a knock on the door. So it means that I had to stop studying and answer the door or answer the phone here, right? Or you could simply put this structure at the beginning, right? At the beginning, like this one, for example. We have when, or the when structure, and we have the first structure. The first structure follows past progressive tense. Then you could put when or start your sentence with this, but don't forget this comma. When we have when or this conjunction at the beginning, then you have to separate the two clauses with a comma. Just like when here in the middle. Because we had when in the middle, there was no need for a comma. So I didn't use a comma. But I used when I was studying the phone rang. This is one difference in terms of structural format. The other difference, when you change the two clauses, this clause goes here and this clause goes there, is about the focus on meaning. The focus on meaning. And well, in addition to that, there is not such a big difference, not a big deal about that, right? Even if you change the two clauses, okay? Well, so that's the idea behind, or that's the reason why we use the past progressive tense in the first place. Thank you for watching again, and don't forget to like and subscribe.